Hi, I'm David Scheitlin. I'm your incoming chairman of the board. I work with Holman Manufacturing and Distribution. My current role is Director of Operations, and I oversee 3 production facilities. I've been in the industry 28 years, and I'm excited to serve as your chairman of the board. Our organization in the manufacturing and distribution is close to 1,000 individuals now. So we've had tremendous growth over the 28 years that I've been involved with the organization. It's really exciting, and the future is very bright for us. Our industry has to adapt, and we continue to find out ways and figure ways to meet the customer's needs, even with the changing technology. People don't understand that the vehicle is really, it's their tool, and it's our job to continue to work with them and design a customized solution so that they have a tool that can help them finish their job and do it successfully. As chair, I really just want to continue to help the board focus on the challenges that the industry is having. I think we need to continue to look long term. What's going to be impacting the industry in the future? How do we continue to push the NTEA and the staff to make sure they're focused on developing the right programs, developing the services that the industry wants? There's so much change, there's so much innovation, it just keeps you hooked.
Hi, I'm Pete Dollinger. I'm the president of Holman Manufacturing and Distribution. We've been affiliated with the NTEA since before I even started with the company for many, many years. It's been fantastic for our business. It's helped us develop leadership talent. It's helped us with learnings and education. It's helped us raise the bar from a professionalism perspective. I think we feel a partial responsibility to pass that along to the next generations as well. So we feel passionately that we need to continue to be actively involved. We need to represent the industry as a whole. We need to put talented people in positions to support the NTEA and the broader industry. I've been highly supportive of David and some of the predecessors that have acted at a board level with the NTEA. It's a huge time commitment for him personally. I'm very blessed that he's involved in it and that he's been willing to take it on with passion and energy.
I really want to continue to make sure the board focuses on creating value for the members. And if we can do that, we'll continue to push the industry forward and leave it in a better place.